forget the day I fell in love with her, my John Deere tractor. Her 3-point hitch had abilities this old boy didn't factor. She could plant seed, even cut hay. Yeah, that's right, her 3-point hitch will blow you away. Don't get me started on her sexy shade of green skin. Talk about the one being responsible for my big old grin. Her headlights can light up any given field. On her backside she has an orange triangle, which I thought meant you. Boy, was I wrong about this. You should see what she does when you give her peep-toe a kiss. Let's just say you better hold on tight. If you get wrapped up in her shaft, you won't win that fight. Proceed with caution, that's all I'm saying. You have to respect her abilities, her power I'm not playing. She'll plow a field, then plant it later that night. When I'm riding my green and yellow tractor, everything seems to be alright. Nothing runs like a deer, I've been left with no doubt. If you want to see horsepower, open up her hood, check her engine out. I'll know she has a cute little power supply. It has some kind of effect on my pick. It does something to this guy. You should see her after I put her down in low gear. This being the reason I fell in love with my John Deere. When it comes to her, I love her tires and everything in between. I'm telling you, there's nothing sexier than John Deere green. You better sell a few more tractors if you want the rights to this one. You already know that's a lie. Love is free, or it's not to be. Love is free, but it's not to be. You should see her after I put her down in low gear. This being the reason I fell in love with my John Deere. When it comes to her, I love her tires and everything in between. I'm telling you, there's nothing sexier than John Deere green.